today is all about pomegranates. This fruit is like the unsung hero. It's not attractive at times, it's difficult to eat, and many persons see them growing on trees and they're just falling and persons just walk right over them. The pomegranate has many benefits. It's great for weight loss, it's great for lowering your blood pressure, and it's great for heart health. So I want to encourage you, if you see the pomegranate, pick it up. If it's growing on a tree, if you're in a supermarket and they're selling them, buy them. And if you don't know what to do with the pomegranates, stick around because I'm going to show you one way that you can use a pomegranate by making pomegranate tea. So let's go over the ingredients. There are just 2 ingredients, pomegranates and sugar. Step is to cut the pomegranate. Now it's going to feel hard, but inside are some beautiful seeds. Depends on what part of the world you are. The seeds can be a nice light pink or they can be a deep red. Here in the Caribbean, we get a lot of pomegranates with a nice light pink. So we need to get these seeds out because it's the seeds that we use to make our tea. So I'm going to squeeze it just to make it easier. And then I'll use the back of a wooden spoon to help to knock them out. Now this is the last one, so once you remove most of them by hitting, you can just open it up just to get all those extra ones that are hiding in there. And now we're going to remove all the extra membrane because we don't need that. So once that is done, we'll go on to the next step. Now we're almost finished. So to our pomegranate seeds, we're going to add some sugar, just about 2 small teaspoons of sugar. And then we're going to crush them as much as we can. Now the sugar helps to bruise the seeds, so it helps to release some of the juice. And the sugar also will help to sweeten our pomegranates. Some pomegranates can be tart. So we're going to just slowly see if we can release as much of the juice from the pomegranate seeds. And then we're basically finished. We're going to add it to our teapot or to a glass jar. Add the hot water, allow it to steep for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then drink this cool, refreshing tea. Now it's time to taste this amazing, nutritious, very beneficial pomegranate tea. Always strain it to make sure you don't get any seeds or extra membrane, as you see. Now it's time to taste. Delicious. For those tea lovers out there, this is great for afternoon tea or at night before going to bed. You know, you want a nice cup of warm tea. I highly recommend this pomegranate tea. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this tea, I want you to look over here, see some of my other tea recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.